Pag sinasabi ng lolo mo, anong naiisip mo?
So, doctor naman po, interested naman po. Kaya parang na-encourage po. Nagbibigyan ng motivation.
Si lolo, he's a lot of things, no? Pero para sa'yo, ano siya? Nako-conscious ba kayo? Dito siya.
Gusto ko umalis eh.
Bakit mo siya role model?
Ever since bata po, siya po yung like naging standard po and my source po ng motivation po para mag-continue in life, lalo na po sa studies and sa career rin po.
Sabi mo standard. Paanong standard mo ang lolo mo?
Growing up, napanood ko po yung mga pelikula niya po. So, of course, na-inspire po ako and I wanted to do as good as him po. Kaya that's how he became my standard din po.
How would you describe your lolo?
Alis ako para mahiyay.
How would you describe your lolo?
When you see him po sa like pelikula, very like tough po and like that. Pero he's really kind po in real life. He's not like pressuring us to like pursue a course to be a doctor, but he's like encouraging us lang po like that. He's just supporting us in that kind of way.